Hello everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to start with a new chapter, that is probability. Sorry for the background noise. They are constructing a new building. What can I do? Okay. So probability. What do you mean by probability? See, probability is nothing but chances of occurrence, right? Like when you will write the exam, like you will say, probability is there, I will pass, or I will fail. So what is this? Is a probability, the chances of occurrence, but you don't know. See, probability means it's a probable chances. We can't expect, like, yes, suppose the probability we studied from like class 7th 8th standard. So when you will flip a coin, like all we see the matches and all IPL is going on. So when you will flip a coin, so when you will flip a coin, either head or tail will come. So see, no one, what, when we will flip the coin, we will assume it, right? Either the chances of head and chances of tail both are equal. Either the head can occur or tail can occur, both can. So what is this? This is a probability, the chances of occurrence. But in probability we are not 100% sure. Okay, like if you will flip a coin, you are not 100% sure that yes, tail will come, tail will come. No, it is, you can't sure. Yeah, like maybe head or maybe tail will come, right? Next we will play we will play a game, Ludo, right? When we will roll a dice, so when we will roll a dice, what is the probability? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6, any one number can come, right? Either 3 5, we are not sure, like yes, 6 will only come. We want every time 6, not that 6 sir. Okay. No, 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 not that 6 sir. Okay, 6. Okay, so we don't know. Probability means nothing but a chances of occurrence. So see, starting with the probability. Oh, so see how much, like, nice view, right? Mountains, house, so oceans. So that this, it is a probability, like you can go here or not. Chances. Okay. See, we will see the theory. Okay, guys, this theory I'm not going to provide you. You have to pause it, copy it down. Everything what I will do, you have to do by yourself also. Stop, pause it, copy it down. But the thing is, for understand, then copy it down. Down, simply copy. No, for understand. So probability means, if probability in, see this line, probability indicate the chances of occurrence of an event. Chances is there of an occurrence of an event. Event is what? Suppose when we will roll a dice, so we'll say, let's see, for getting a number 6, for getting a number 6, what is the like event? Event means whatever we are finding, that is called an event. Okay, whatever we are finding, that is a event. Okay, not that event and as a wedding function, wedding event, anniversary event, get together, not that event. Okay, event means whatever we are finding in probability. Okay, when we'll toss a coin, so probability of getting a head, that is a event. When we'll roll a dice, probability of getting a number 3. Or when we will roll a dice, what is the total probability? Total probability is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So probability of getting an even number. So this is an event. Whatever the probability we are finding, that is an event. So probability indicate the chances of occurrence. It is not a sure. Probability is not a sure event. It is like a chances of occurrence. Okay. So probability is a number which range from 0 to 1. Probability is a number which range from 0 to 1. So if your value is getting more than 1, you have to check it again. Okay, otherwise more will happen. So probability is a number which ranges from 0 to 1. These are the all theory parts, and very important, they will ask theory also in probability. Any stats, guys, don't skip the theory. If you will skip the theory, skip the attempt. You will go for second attempt. So probability is a number range from 0 to 1. Okay. Next is probability indicate the chances of occurrence. Next, if probability of occurrence of an event is 0, means suppose the probability of occurrence of any event is 0, it means event cannot occur, right? If the probability is 0, what does this mean? This means that event cannot occur, no chance, because 0. Same, if the probability of an occurrence of event is 1, it means that event can occur. This is important, they will ask in object, means for 1 mark. Now random experiment. See, an experiment can be repeated under similar condition for a finite number of time and can result in many possible outcomes. Means suppose an experiment can be repeated, means we will take a dice, rolling a dice, that is our experiment. Okay, can be repeated, we are repeating. When you will play the Ludo, what we are doing? We are rolling a dice, rolling a dice, rolling a dice, rolling a dice. So what is this experiment? Is repeating. Okay, so an experiment can be repeated, or when you flip a coin, flip a coin, flip a coin, so every time you not get head, right? Sometime head, sometime tail, then head, like tail, right? So an experiment can be repeated under similar condition. Similar condition means same, you will take a dice, roll it, probability of getting a 6, roll it again, probability of getting a 6, roll it again, probability of getting a 6. So what is we are doing? We are conducting an experiment repeatedly under similar condition for a finite number of time, and every time we will result in many possible outcomes, means different outcomes. Obviously, when you will roll a dice, every time you are rolling a dice, so what is that? Experiment is repeating. Similar condition is we are rolling a dice and we have kept a probability of getting 3, probability of getting a 3. Okay, for a finite number of time, and every time, guys, we will see a different possible outcomes. So many possible outcomes we will see. We are not sure that only 3 will come. Sometime 1, sometime 6, 5, 3, 2, again 2, 3, 6, like that. So that is a random experiment. It may not result in same outcome when repeated under similar condition. We can't say that every time the same outcome will come. The outcomes will keep on varying, like many possible outcomes. Sample space, a set of all possible outcomes, whatever the outcomes, like when we will roll a dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all possible outcome is this. So that is a sample space, all possible outcomes. Simple event, an event which cannot be decomposed into further event. When you toss a coin. So when you toss a coin, head or tail, that's it. You can't more decompose it. Okay, we cannot able to decompose it. Composite, this is composite, COMPOSITE. Composite event. Composite event means an event that can be decomposed into more event. More event means, guys, see, when you will toss a coin, you will get head or tail. Done. Head or tail. Okay, we cannot able to decompose into further event. But when we will composite event means when we will toss 2 coins simultaneously. When we toss 2 coins simultaneously, we'll get head tail, tail head, tail. Right? Head tail, tail head, tail. Now here, how we can decompose into more event? We can take probability of getting only one head, probability of getting only one tail, probability of getting both heads. So here we can decompose further for the both. Okay. Impossible event by name itself, an event which can never occur when a certain random experiment is performed. Example, when you will roll a dice, probability of getting number 7. No chance, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, union, guys, we already have studied before. Union means what? This is a union. So A union B. Union, guys, means we will take all the elements of both the sets. Okay. Union you have studied before already in class 10th. Okay. Union. This is a union. Intersection. This is the intersection. A intersection B. Just remember the thing, in union we will take all the possible outcomes. In union what we will take? We will take all possible outcomes, or you can say we'll take all the outcomes of A and B. All the outcomes of A and B. All. We will take all outcomes, all elements. That is union. Intersection means only common. In A and B, what are the common? We will take only that. Remember the thing, that's it. Union means we'll take all elements, all whatever is present. Intersection means we'll take only common. See, difference from the name itself indicate difference means a set of element which are in A but not in B. Difference, right? A minus B. So from A we will minus all the B elements. Right? Difference means what? Minus. A minus B is, imagine A minus B like this only will represent by difference. A minus B means from set A we will minus set B, all the elements of set B. Okay, so that's why they said a set of element which are in A but not in B. It is not in B. Okay, now last 4 very important. Exhaustive event. Exhaustive event means if any one event of the event in the set has to occur whenever the experiment is conducted. Means any one event, whenever you are conducting any experiment, in that one event will occur every time. That is exhaustive event. What is exhaustive event? Means whenever we will conduct an experiment, whenever you are conducting experiment, one event will be there. It will occur each and every time in the experiment. Okay, like nowadays Instagram, everyone use the Instagram. So you will see, whenever you will go in the ID of every girl, right, you will see that one boy is a mutual friend for all the girls. That is exhaustive event. Means whenever you are conducting experiment, one event is there which has to occur every time. Whenever experiment is conducted, means whenever you are going to any girl ID, one event has to occur. Means one boy, the mutual friend for all. That is exhaustive event. Now don't call to that boy and say you are exhaustive event. Hey, you are exhaustive event. He will die there only. Okay, exhaustive. Okay. Next is mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive event means if occurrence of one event rules out the possibility of other, means they do not occur together. If occurrence of any one event rules out the possibility of other, like suppose when you will flip a coin, if head will occur, occurrence of one event means if head will occur, they rules out the possibility of other, means it will rules out the possibility of occurring tail. Okay, so they do not occur together. Head and tail cannot occur together. Like when you will roll a dice, if one will occur, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the chances of occurrence of that get ruled out. So they cannot occur together. Like suppose if you have already girlfriend or boyfriend, you can't keep anyone else. Okay, what will happen? Fight will happen. Fight. So that's why you can't keep both. You can't keep both together. So that is, if one will occur, other no chance. Okay, that is a mutually exclusive event. Now mutually independent event. Mutually independent event means if one event does not depend on the occurrence of other, means they can occur together. One event does not depend on the occurrence of other means, example, when you will flip two coins. Suppose in one coins you are getting head. It doesn't mean, right, whether in other coin also it will occur head or in other coin also it will occur tail. It will not affect, correct? When you will roll two dice, so one dice and two dice remain, they are unaffected with each other, whatever it will come, right? They does not depend upon each other, so they can occur together. Like you can keep two boyfriend or girlfriend, no issues in that. You can't keep, but you can keep as a best friend. They're also best friend, is also best friend, you are enjoying with both. Maje maje. Okay, mutually exclusive, mutually independent. Equally likely event. Equally likely event means if they have same chances of occurrence. Obviously equally likely when you will flip a coin, so equal likely of occurrence of head and tail. When you will roll a dice, so equally chances of occurrence 1 2 3 4 5 6. So equally likely event means if they have same chances of occurrence. So I hope you understand this. Yeah, sure, we understand, sir. So I'm not going to give the notes that you have to pause it, you have to copy it down. Okay, so this is about the theory of the probability. Now guys, see, if we will talk about the probability formula, that is very simple. Probability of E means probability of an event. Okay, probability of an event means what? Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcome means, yes, the what we have to find, the one we have to find, that we are giving the more favor, right? Why we are giving that favor? Because we have to find that one. So probability of an event is favorable outcome divided by all possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes divided by all possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes divided by all possible outcomes. Guys, see, in the probability we are using the combination also, not the permutation, combination. I will tell you very few cases, but we are using the combination also. So what you have to do? What do you have to do? Yes, you have to do is, please, if you don't know the combination, please go and check the video of combination, learn and then come back. Okay. Otherwise here you will, every time your reaction will be I. Okay. So probability is what? Probability of any event is the favorable outcomes by all possible outcome. Example, when you roll a dice, so what is the possible outcomes? When you roll a dice, so possible outcomes is what? Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6, means possible outcome is 6, correct? In that I will say find the probability of getting even numbers. Find the probability of getting even numbers. So what are the even numbers? Yes, 2 4 6. Even number is 2 4 6. So even number is how much? 3 1 2 3. So what is the probability? Probability of an event, so getting even number. So what is the favorable outcome? Favorable outcomes mean this we are favoring, means what we have to find, that is the favorable outcomes. So probability of getting even number is 3 divided by all possible outcome is 6. 3 by 6 you can write 1 by 2, or just check the option, whether the option is in fraction or decimal. Decimal means divide it, 0.5. Okay, that's it. This is the what? This is the formula of all the possible event, means probability of event. This is the formula of the normal formula of the probability, all we know, right? Then okay, this theory is all done. Now next what we are going to do, we have learned the normal formula of probability. Now we will write all the possible outcomes. We will write all the possible outcomes. Yes, like what are the different outcomes we will get. So first thing is when we toss a coin. So when we toss a coin, so what we will get? Yes, when we will toss a coin, so outcomes, when we toss a coin, so outcomes is what? Head or tail? This is outcomes. Yes sir. Second number, when we toss two coins, when we toss two coins, so what we will get? When we toss two coins, so outcomes are, when we toss two coins, outcomes are head head, head tail, yes, tail head, tail tail. That's right. Na easy sir, very easy sir. For this you are teaching, go sir. Okay, third is when we toss three coins. Okay, see, no need of by hurting anything. When we toss three coins, so three coins means, guys, see how we'll find. Very simple. For two coins is head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail, right? When we toss three coins, so for three coins we will write. For two coins is what? This head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. This is for two coins. And the third coin is what? Third coin is head tail, right? When we toss three coins, so three coins, guys, this is the two coins. We know already. For two coins, head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. And this is what? This is the third coin. So see, very simple. We will write head head head, head head tail, then head tail head, then head tail tail, then tail head head, then tail head tail, then tail tail head, then tail tail tail. Understand? Tail tail tail. Yes. So this is what? This is the outcomes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So see, for remembering the outcomes, very easy. When we toss a coin, okay, toss a coin. So how many sides coin have? 2. So 2 power n. Okay, 2 power n. N indicates the number of coins. N indicates the number of coins. So why 2? What is the reason behind 2? The reason behind 2 is coin has 2 sides. So see, when we toss a coin, so number of coin is 1. So 2 power n means 2 power 1 is 2. So see, outcomes is 1 1 2. Now next is when we toss two coins, so 2 power n. N is what? 2 coins, 2. So 2 to the 4. So outcome is 1 2 3 4. Now next, when we toss 3 coins, so 2 power n. N is how much? Number of coins. So number of coins is 3. 2 power 3 is 8. Now see the outcomes: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Now guys, when you will start the exam, so this you can write. Okay. So what will happen? It will become easy for you to solve the problems. Okay, here we have learned about when we toss a 1 coin, when we toss 2 coins, when we toss 3 coins. Now next we will see what? Yes. Next we will see is when we roll a dice. When we roll a dice. Okay. When we roll a dice, what is the outcomes? When we roll a dice, so outcomes are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Outcomes are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Obviously we know. Next, Next is when we roll two dice. Uri Baba. When we roll two dice. So outcomes. Outcomes are like what? 1 comma 1, right? 1 comma 2, because this is for the first dice, second dice, first dice, second dice. The first dice maybe like 1, second dice is 1 2 3 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. See, in the examination, before, like when you will start the exam, you have to write this in a rough. They will give the space for the rough work. There you have to write. Okay, because if you will not write, what will happen? This is 2 comma 6. Okay, so what will happen if you will not write? Then while solving the sums, you will get trouble. 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 1, 6 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 6 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 6 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay, now we will see the outcomes, like as we have learned here, right? The formula. Now here we will see when we will roll a dice. So we are talking about dice. How many sides are there in a dice? Like in a coin, we have a 2 head or tail, 2. So 2 power n. So when we roll a dice, so how many sides? Yeah, 6 sides of dice. So 6 power n. Okay, we see when we will roll a coin, sorry, when we will toss a coin, so head or tail, so 2 sides. So 2 power n, n indicates the number of coin. Okay, either 1, 2, 3. When we roll a dice, so dice have 6 like parts, 6 sides. So 6 power n, n indicates the number of dice, n indicates the number of dice. So see here, when we roll our dice, so dice is 1, so 6 power 1 is 6. So see the outcomes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here when we roll 2 dice, so 6 power n means 6 power 2, so 6 square is 36. So when you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 20 24 25 20. When you will count, it will come 36. Why I am counting? Okay, we have learned about what? We have learned about the coin, we have learned about the dice, and another thing we will learn about what? Cards. Cards. Okay, so cards, let's see about cards. So what are total number of cards, guys? See, if they will say pack of card, okay, or deck of cards, everything is same. If they will say pack of cards, they will say deck of cards. So this is nothing but a total cards they are talking about. Total number of cards is 52, right? Total number of cards is 52. In that they are divided into 2. Oh, sorry, what tarike? Total number of cards is 52. So they are divided into 2. One is black, other is red. Okay, black and white, no, black and red. So there are cards there. How many cards are there? There are total 52 cards. In that it is divided into black and red. So black is 26 half and red is 26 half. So in black it is divided into 2. In red also it will divide it into 2. So for black we will remember CS, and for red we will remember HD. CS means club, not the computer science. Club spade HD, high definition quality. Heart and diamond. There, heart and diamond. Okay. Every card will be 13 clubs, 13 spade, 13 heart, 13 diamond. Okay. So what the total number of card? Total number of card is 52. In that 26 is the black, 26 is the red. 26 is the black, 26 is the red. In that 13 club, 13 spade, 13 heart, 13 sorry, diamond. And see, the 13 card for all will remain same. The 13 cards for all are same. So what are the 13 cards? King, queen, jack, then from 1 to 10. So 1 is not there. In place of 1 we have a ace, A. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 13 cards are present in club also. These 13 cards are present in spade also. These 13 cards are present in heart also. And these 13 cards are present in diamond also. So guys, each card, how many number each card? Each card is 4 numbers. Right? Because king, see the king. King is here also. King is here also. King is here also. King is here also. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Each card is 4 number. So the total card is 13. So 13 into 4 is 52. That's it. If you will talk about the 4, 1 4 is here also, 1 4 is here also, 1 4 is here also, 1 4 is here. So each card is 4 numbers. So this is the arrangement of card. It is present in the club also, spade also, heart also, diamond also. So this thing we have to understand, because in today's video we are talking only about the concept, of whole probability. Next video we will solve the sums. We will solve only sums from all the probability, and we'll solve a lot of sums. Okay, now this is done. Now guys, we will come for the next topic, which is very important. Every year they are asking a question. The topic is addition theorem. Topic is addition theorem. Addition theorem. Okay, addition theorem. See, addition means what? Addition is this plus. Guys, remember the thing, addition means union. Okay, addition means what? Union. Because union word is or. Correct, we have already studied. Okay, if you have forgotten, wait a minute, let me check. Yeah, addition. Addition means union. If addition word is there, that means union. Okay, or also it indicates union. Okay, if addition is there, means it's a union. If word or is there, means in union. If it is a multiplication, okay, it is a intersection. In the word, if it is and, or if it is both, okay, means if the symbol is plus, it is a union. If the symbol is multiply, it is an intersection. If the word is or, it is a union. If the word is and, if the word is both, it is an intersection. That's it. Okay, now guys, here the very important thing is how, because in the examination they will not say find addition theorem or anything. Okay, in the examination they will not say anything. So what they will say in the examination? In the examination you have to read the question as how we are doing in the NUT. Here also they will not say the like find the addition theorem, find the union. They will not say anything. What we have to do, we have to read the question. After reading the question, we will get to know that okay, we have to use the addition theorem. Pause and drink water. Drink. Water is important for health. Okay, don't drink so much. Otherwise again you have to pause and go to washroom. Okay, now how kaise 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 how you will get to know this is the addition theorem question. Okay. Okay, how is addition theorem question, how we'll get to know? Suppose any question in which they will ask like find the probability of getting a king or queen. Find the probability of getting a king or queen. Okay, means this or word, right? I have said or word is for union. So or word, if the word is or, like probability of getting a multiple of 5 or multiple of 11. So or, probability of getting a spade or diamond, or probability of getting a multiple of 4 or 2. So or, then yeah, find the probability of getting in the dice, find the probability of getting a sum of 10 or 11. Or guys, sum of 10 means what? This, like this, sum means, remember the thing, we have to add this 2 plus 2 4, like that. Sum of 10 means like this, 4 plus 6 10, then here 5 plus 5 10, 6 plus 4 10. This is sum. This is what? This is sum when we have to add both. Okay, so or sum of number 10 or 11. So or, so whenever you will get like again I am saying the lots of question is there. Yeah, same, find the probability of getting a sum of 5 or 7 when we'll roll a dice. So or, when in the question the or will come. Okay, when in the question what will come? Or will come. When in the question or will come. So what does or indicates? Or indicates the union, means we have to use the addition theorem. What does the or indicates? Or indicates the addition theorem. And this type of question, like probability of getting a king or queen, probability of getting a multiple of 7 or 11, or probability of getting a spade or queen, or. So when next video will solve these questions, you will understand properly. Okay, so how the formula will be, because no need of by hearting. Now we'll understand, means understand, stand under bus stand, so understand. Okay, so now see here, probability of getting a king. So this is the one event, so we will take this as event A. Okay, probability of getting king. King means what? Event 1. So event A. Or means union. Or means what? Or means union. And then probability of getting a queen. So probability of getting a queen is what? Another event. So event B. Understand? So probability of getting a king is one event. So I will take A. Or means union. This is the question only. It will be in the question only. Just understand the concept. When we will do the sum in the next video, then you will understand. So probability of getting a king. So getting a king is one event. So we'll take A. Or means what? Or is a union. So from the or word union came. Then probability of getting a queen. Queen is what? Yes, queen is the event B. So this is a formula. Probability of A, the first event is A, or means union, second event is B. So probability of A union B equals probability of A, means we'll find the probability of getting a king, because A is what? Probability of getting a king, plus probability of B, means probability of getting a queen, minus probability of A intersection B. This is a formula of addition theorem. Understand? Understand? Okay. So this is the formula for addition theorem. When we will do the sum, I will tell you. And guys, see the answer. Okay, let's do this. Suppose this only question, probability of getting king or queen. So king is A, queen is B. So what is the probability of A? Probability of A means probability of getting a king. So king means how many kings? Yes, 4. 4 by possible outcomes is what? 52, because 52 cards, plus probability of getting B. B means what? Queen, not yours. Sorry. Probability of B. B means queen. Queen is how much? 4. 4 by possible outcome is 52. Minus intersection. Guys, what is intersection meaning? Intersection means we have to take the common elements. So in king and queen, nothing is common. So 0 by 52. So guys, see, what we will do is, we will not see the options. And what we will do here, only we will divide and we will write in the decimal form. But in the option, sometimes they will give in the fraction form. Then again you have to convert the decimal into fraction. So it will be a lengthy process. So what you have to do is, starting only you have to check whether it is in fraction or decimal. If it is in decimal, here only you can divide and you will get the answer in decimal. First step. And how we will divide? With the help of your calculator. Okay, by the cover, don't think that calculator is new. This is 2 years old, but still I kept in the cover. And your calculator, how your calculator will be? When you will shake it, giddy. All the button is like giddy. It will be used for playing with a child. When the child is crying, you will take out your, if you don't have any toys, oh shit, what to do? You will take out your calculator. The child will be happy. So why it's happening? You are using like that. Use it आराम से. मेरे को लगा गया. Okay, now what we will do, if it is in fraction, what we will do, we will not simplify. Why? What is the reason we will not simplify? Why? Because we will see the denominator is same. 52, it will be 52. If you will simplify, again you have to do a LCM method. So don't use your Newton brain, use your human brain. So what we will do, we will not simplify, we will write directly 52. Denominator is 52, LCM 4 plus 4, 8 minus 0 is 8. Then now you can simplify. 8 by 52 means 2 for the 8, it will be 26, 2, 13, answer is 2 by 13. Ashte answer muy. So this is the method how we get to know, like how we have to find. Okay, yes sir. Now we have to see the very last topic, that is expectations, not your expectations. You got happy sir, expectations sir, batate sir. Mathematical expectations. See, you have to find the x of maths. You have to find the relationship between the variables. You have to write the expectations, that also of mathematical. In blood relation, you have to find the relationship of others. This is life, guys. You are not doing anything for yourself, only for other. So mathematical expectation, very important. See here, this is very easy. in the question they will say find the expectation. Expectation means you'll get to know mathematical expectation. Okay, so see, remember the thing, in the examination they will ask find the expectation. Expectation means mathematical expectation, or they will say find the mathematical expectation. We know this. Or sometimes they will say find the expected value, or what is the expected value. Expected value means expectation only. Okay, so words are there. If they will say expectations, mathematical expectations, or expected value, this all what? This all is the mathematical expectations. And guys, mathematical expectation, this is very easy. Okay, so here you have to find the, here we have to know the three things. First is the expectation, next is the variance, next is the standard deviation. Okay, and standard deviation and variance is very easy. Okay, first we'll see the expectation. Okay, expectation is denoted by like this, E. E is for the expectation and X. See, here you have to find the expectation of X. बंद करो यार, बंद करो, जाओ. Expectation of X, what the X is expecting, you have to find that. Okay, now X is what? Don't start crying, sir. Kya zindagi? What is life? Everywhere you have to find everything except yours. So expectation. Expectation means E of X. And guys, what is the X? Yes, X is the event. X is the event. Suppose, see, X is the event. So what we have to do? Suppose they will ask in the question is, just as the example, the question is two fair coins are tossed once. So two fair coins are tossed one means two coins are tossed. So these are the example, head head head, sorry, these are the outcomes, head 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 tail, tail head, tail tail. These are the outcomes. Okay, two fair coins are tossed one, these are the outcomes. Find the expectation and variance of number of heads obtained, for which we have to find the number of heads obtained. Number of heads obtained. See, whatever we have to find for number of heads, that is X. Okay, whatever we have to find, that is X. So you will say, go sir, I will not find X and all. Go, drink water. Okay, mathematical expectation means the question is like two fair coins are tossed, so these are the outcomes. Head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail are the outcomes. Okay, now guys, they will say expectation and variance of number of heads obtained, means whatever they will say to obtain, means whatever they will say to find, that is the X. Here we have to find the number of heads obtained when we are tossing two coins. So X is what? X is the number of heads obtained. So number of heads obtained. So see here, first of all we have to write the X. Why? Because we have to find that. X is the number of heads obtained. Guys, see, the formula of what? Formula of expectation is E of X. Means expectation of X. So see this, X, expectation of X. The formula is very simple. Summation of X into probability of X. That's it. That's it. Summation of X into its probability. How? Listen. So X, and see, whatever we will get the event, we have its probability. We can able to find the probability, right? Yes. So x is what? X is the number of heads obtained. How many heads we can obtain? Now see here, when we will flip two coins, how many heads we can obtain? So here head, two heads, here one head, here also one head, here zero head, no head. So how many heads we can obtain? 0, 1, 2. Number of heads obtained. How many heads we can obtain? We can obtain 0 head, we can obtain 1 head, we can obtain 2 heads. Now what we have to do? For all the x we have to find its probability, because this is the probability chapter. For every x we have to find its probability. So what is the question? When we flip two coins, and in that you have to find the number of heads obtained. So whatever we have to find, we will take the x. The number of head obtained is x. Okay, and when we will flip a two coin, we will write these outcomes. So in this outcome we will see the number of head obtained. So 0 head, this both is 1 head, and this is 2 head. Okay, so we will write x means number of head obtained. Number of head obtained is 0 also, 1 also, 2 also. So for every x we have to find its probability. So now probability of getting 0 head, probability of getting 0 head is how much? 1 by 4. Next, probability of getting 1 head. 1 means you will get in 2. So 2 by 4. Don't simplify it. 2 by 4. Then probability of getting 2 heads. 2 heads mean this only, 1 by 4. Understand? For every x means what? X is what we have to find. So for every x we have to find its probability, because this is a probability chapter. For every x we have to find its probability. I hope till now doubt is clear. So if you have to find the E of x, so what is summation of x into its probability? Means see this, x into its probability plus x into its probability plus x into its probability. Okay, so x, 0 into its probability, 0 into anything is 0, plus 1 into its probability, 1 into 2 by 4 is 2 by 4, plus 2 into its probability, 2 into 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. So what is the denominator? Denominator is 2, numerator is, sorry, denominator is 4, numerator is 2 plus 2, 4. Get cancel, 1. What is expectation? Expectation is 1. Very easy. What we have to, guys, what we have to do? We have to write first x. First we have to write the x. And what is the x? What we have to find, that is the x. So for every x we have to find its probability. For every x we have to find its probability, because expectation is what? X into its probability plus x into its probability plus x into its probability. That is a summation. So we got this, what? Expectation. This is a formula of expectation or mathematical expectations or expected value. Okay, now next thing, very important, they will say to find the variance of x. Mean they will say to find the variance also. Very important, guys. See the variance formula is what? Variance formula is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Means see this, expectation of x square. Guys, what is this? This is the expectation of x. What is this? This is a expectation of x. Mean this expectation of x. This what we have find by this formula. This is this expectation of x whole square. So whatever you will get the value, we have to do the whole square. Means minus value is 1. 1 is square is 1. This is easy. This is expectation whole square. So whatever will get this expectation we have to do whole square. But here this is very important. The maximum student will do the mistake here only. This is expectation x square. Means, guys, see here how you will find this expectation x square. Means Yeah, I see this is x means, so that's why x into its probability plus x into its probability plus x into its probability, because this is x. But here it is x square. Here it is what? Yes, here it is x square, means now we are not doing x into its probability plus x into its probability plus x into probability. No, 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 no. Why? Because here it is x square. So what we will do? Yes, we will do x square into its probability plus, because the formula is this, summation of x square into its probability. This is the formula, summation of x. In place of x we have to do x square, then same into its probability plus x square into its probability plus x square into its probability. Why? Because x square is here. So 0 square is 0 into its probability 1 by 4. 0 of anything is 0 only, plus x square means 1 square is 1 into its probability. 1 into 2 by 4 is 2 by 4. See, probability will remain same, only x square. X will become square. So x square, 2 square is 4. 4 into its probability. 4 into 1 by 4 is 4 by 4. So we will get, see, the denominator is 4. Numerator will be 4 plus 2 plus 4, 6. 6 by 4. Okay. That is thus. So 6 by 4. So we know how to do this, right? Yes, sir. We will multiply with this. So 4 1 the 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 means 1 by 2 or 0.5. That's it. Okay. Oh, किधर से आया भाई? Okay. Guys, this is the thing, mathematical expectation. I hope everyone understand. What is x? Yes, hey, don't say yours, mine. No, x means what we have to find, that is the x. So expectation means x, and we know that for every x we have to find its probability. So expectation is x into its probability plus x into its probability plus x into its probability. You will continue that, you will get the expectations. And don't guys simplify this, keep as it is. It will become very easy because the denominator will remain same. So that's why it will become very easy. And last, you can see if the option is in fraction, keep it in fraction like 1 by 2. If option is decimal, you can do here 0.5. Okay, this is the expectation. But variance is what? E of x square minus ex whole square. So this is the expectation. What we have find the expectation? That whole square. So that is very easy. But for this guy, this is e of x square. E of x square means, yes, x square into its probability plus x square into its probability plus x square into its probability. Then we have to do the summation. Okay, and then keep the value here, do simplify, you will get the answer. So because of that, this is x square, so we have to do x square into its probability. Probability will remain same, we will not do anything for the probability. Now next they will say to find the, this is the second number, expect, this is first number is expectation, second number is the variance, third number they will say to find is what? Standard deviation. So we know what is the formula of standard deviation. Yes, square root of variance. Whatever we will get, we will do the square root. So standard deviation is square root of variance, square root of 0.5. Whatever you will get, that is the answer. So third thing is what? This is standard deviation. That formula is what? Square root of variance. Class. Wait. Okay, so guys, those who don't know the combination, please go to the playlist, see the permutation and combination, understand the concept only about the combination, just see the what, yes, just see the how we are solving for the combination, just the normal one, don't go for any hard, just see the basic combination, how we'll apply the formula and what is in that. So in the next video we are going to solve the problems upon this probability, and almost guys we are going to solve a lot of problems. Okay, So next video we are solving the problems like unstoppable. I am unstoppable, unstoppable. Okay, so almost I think so. Wait, I will tell you. Almost nearby we will solve more than 25 sums. More than 25 means 25 to 30 sums. We will solve 25 to 30 sums tomorrow. So tomorrow, not in the next video. So understand the concept. If you have any doubt, please ask, so that in the next video I can clarify it. If you don't have a doubt, please like the video and share the video to your friends, so they will also get benefited. Okay, so please read the concept, understand the concept, and come in the next video. We are going to solve the lots of sum, almost 25 to 30 sums for whole probability. We know the probability they will ask for 4 marks, the whole probability, almost 30 sums. Okay, so that will means clear all your concept. So thank you and bye bye, take care, we'll meet in the next video.